Let's do some herbal medicine this morning. I am a medical doctor, trained in Western medicine, but I still have my roots in a lot of herbal medicine. My paternal grandmom was a trained herbalist. She knew so many herbs. That in the distance is the Drogoni Tree. Coming from an environment where malaria is endemic, we use Drogoni for treating malaria. The leaves are boiled and it's drunk, and it is actually very therapeutic. I believe we still need to do our own research and find out the pharmacokinetics and the pharmacodynamics, because it's one thing to say this works. As a scientist, we always need to know what is the scientific process. Okay, look at that beautiful bird. And that's the palm tree from where we get our palm nuts. We used to make palm oil. I believe in the efficacy of palm oil. You know, people say all sorts of things about it. It's not a fair trade. Look, our ancestors have been eating this for centuries. Blame those who are buying it at exorbitant prices and, you know, the economic colonization that is going on. Why will I leave my palm oil and be eating olive oil that does not grow in my place? Why will I leave palm oil and be eating sunflower oil? It makes sense. You know, makes sense. This one here is a coconut tree. I want to believe I'm right. Yes, it's a coconut tree. From where we get our beautiful coconut. We used to have a coconut though. The coconut. We used to have it, and the man cut it down. He cut it down. I'm so vexed. Now, down in the distance, those are ears of corn. Ears of corn. So those are the ones with the yellow leaves. And can you see the banana tree there? And the ones with 3 leaves looking like clovers, that is cassava. Cassava is a staple food in West Africa. We use cassava to make apple, the obonge stick of swallow, the king of swallows. That's apple. We also use cassava to make tapioca, which is eaten with coconuts. It's just the cassava slices that are soaked in water, fermented to remove the excess cyanide, I believe, and then we eat it with coconut, or you can eat it with palm kernels, or you can eat it with roasted breadfruits. Then we also make the tinier slices, which are called abacha. When I go to the market today, I'm going to try and show you the different types used to make abacha. Then we also use it in my place in Bise, where I'm from. We use it to make something we call achicha. So it's cassava, which is after it's fermented, it's pounded and fried in palm oil. It's mixed with pepper, and it's very, very sweet. I haven't seen it since I came to my husband's place. Which other plant am I missing here? This one close to the fence, I think is an orange tree, or is it a pear tree? I think so. And if you look to that lone tree there, that is the pawpaw tree. The leaves have been cut off, I want to believe. Yeah, that's about it. That's another pawpaw tree just beside the red roof there. Yeah, so join me this time next time for more biodiversity, flora. Should be flora is plants, yes, flora of the Igbo Riviera, Southeast Nigeria. Yeah, let's get closer to nature and get to know more about our plants.